Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEENF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an absolutely crazy day on this one, and I'm just going to be looking at it from the trading perspective. I get it. If you're some sort of long-term trader and you bought up here, then nothing I can really say right now would be considered bullish, but I'm just talking about it, again, looking at the chart as strictly from a trading perspective, looking at it just like that. And to set up a bit of context, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but for those of you that have traded for quite a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, it's just something like this, where the price just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds the rest of the day. That did not happen here. The price was actually able to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there was a big gap down and just because the price went sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that the price is going to turn itself around. My point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have, to be thinking, okay, maybe this is some sort of bottom. Maybe there's going to be some sort of bigger bounce that happens. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but at least a valid thought to have, which is also what makes this a very important level of support moving forward down here at 0.013. And nothing complicated other than the fact of, well, if this is the bottom, then the price needs to stop going down. Because if the price goes down there and then just breaks down through that area, well, that wouldn't make any sense to question if this is the bottom, because the price would all of a sudden be at new lows. So like I said, nothing fancy there, just simple reasoning. And, that is the importance of 0.013, because as long as the price is above that level, it at least makes sense to question the potential that, yeah, this is some sort of bottom that's forming and there might be some sort of turnaround. If there is any sort of attempt to turn around, first key level of resistance to watch is going to be right up there at 0.02. What is that? 0.023, and then the next key level to watch very closely is going to be that pink line right there. It's on my chart to notes, the 200 period moving average, currently valued right up there around the 3-cent mark. So keep your eye on those levels moving forward. But yeah, rough day today, but we'll see if this sideways price movement is actually some sort of leading indicator of maybe a bounce to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.